Hi, so today we'll see how to remove extra softness from the clay. Depends upon the production time. If it is freshly baked, it is soft, and after some time it gets harder. Your clay is so sticky and sticks to the surface. So we'll see how to remove this stickness and softness. So take a paper and keep the clay on the paper and fold the paper and roll the pen on it and keep it for the some time. See, here you can see the absorbed oil. The oil is absorbed by the paper. You can keep repeating these steps to get the desired amount of softness. You can put a weight on it, such as book or a stone. I am keeping stone here. Keep repeating steps as many times as you want, depending on how firm clay you want. So as you can see, uh, this is called a leaching method, and as you can see, the clay is very firm and doesn't stick to the surface and ready to use. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.